For example, meron po tayong anak na naipanganak ngayon.
Yes.
So, yung 1 to 3 years old niya, doon lang tayo nagbabayad ng kuryente. Possible.
Yes.
And then yung 4 hanggang 30 years old niya, very minimum or zero tayo sa binabayaran.
Yes, possible na minimal. Talagang ganun siya, sir. As you can see, we're using DEYE, one of the most trusted brands as well of inverters here in the Philippines.
Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to We're in Pampanga. But for this video, guys, wala po tayo sa Pampanga. As you can see on my guest t-shirt po, nasa Nueva Ecija tayo from Nueva Energies. Kasama natin ulit si Miss Sol. If you recall po, like way back 2018, nakakasama po namin siya as guest vlogger sa We're in Pampanga.
Hello po, Kabalen. Kapampangan ko rin po. May pa-intagon mo po na tsoko po kayo ni Nueva Ecija. Yes. And Kenny po yung kakatamong base or main office for the business. My mother is from Guagua, from Betis Guagua, and my father po is from Candaba. Pero as we grew up, tumira din po kami sa Porac before I moved dito.
From Pampanga, pumunta po kayo dito and you were able to establish a business. So ito po yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon, which is, ang pangalan po ay Nueva Energy
Solar.
From the name itself, ayan po, no, so we are talking about renewable energy, how we can save Mother Earth. Siyempre, di po ba? At the same time is saving bills.
A lot of benefits po kasi from solar energy. So, yun po ang pag-uusapan natin today. Brief background na po, Nueva Energy Solar. Nag-start po yan talaga mainly because family ng husband ko po is from the construction industry. A lot of their previous clients naghahanap ng solar provider sa kanila. But at the same time, yung pinaka nag-push po sa amin to go with this business is yung own utilization. Ako po kasi is nakapag-work sa mga BPO, so yung tinatawag na contact centers in the past. Nung lumipat po ako ng Nueva Ecija, nag-start ako ng work from home. As a freelancer, you have to be self-sufficient kasi not only with internet, but with electricity, and lahat ng pangangailangan mo. Kasi parang pag freelancer ka, own business mo na yan. And primary is the electricity. So, alam nyo naman po sa atin dito, bukod sa utility provider natin, we can have generators, but if we can, why don't we get free energy from the sun? And nakita naman natin na sumisikat na din po yung sustainable energy dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. So, talagang ni-research po namin yan. Tinignan namin how we can get our own solar setup for our office, for personal utilization. Dito sa Philippines, napakadami na pong naniniwala sa sustainable energy. Napakadami na po na gusto talaga nila na magpalagay ng solar panels in their home. Dahil sa kagustuhan din namin na proper solution, ang makuha namin, pinag-aralan po namin siya. And having said na from the construction industry po, yung family, naging involved din po sila. Nagkaroon po kami ng mga trainings, ng certifications, kami mismo yung naging involved. And then eventually, we looked into it na, okay, why don't we share this experience sa mga ibang tao? So what we offer here at Nueva Energy is not just yung trusted solution, pero yung making sure na yung quality na inilagay po namin dito sa aming own property na kami mismo ang gumagamit, yun po ang ipapa-experience namin sa aming clients. We also made sure that we have all the legitimate requirements. We have all the business documents. Yes, we have mayor's permit po, we have DTI, we have BIR, and we have all the necessary certifications na kailangan.
Ang kagandahan doon, Ma'am Sol, nakita ko, you were a consumer first before you were a business owner.
Yes po.
So, kagandahan doon, kayo po rin mismo, yung mga usual na tinatanong ng mga, paano ba yan? Makakamura ba ako dyan? Legit ba yan? Safe ba yan? So, kayo mismo, pinag-aralan nyo yun kasi consumer po kayo.
Yes.
And sabi mo nga, yun yung sinishare mo ngayon dun sa mga magiging possible clients po ninyo.
Kami muna po yung sumubok, kami yung naka-experience na this is a sustainable solution for us, lalo na po dito sa atin kasi we are leaning towards being energy independent ang tawag. So halimbawa ngayon, dahil umaasa po tayo din sa utility providers, kapag nawala si utility provider, ano naman ang asahan natin?
Oo, magtataas siya ng
Yes, pag nagtaas ng presyo and all. Actually, being a solar provider or kapag nagpa-install po kayo ng solar, hindi lang po sarili nyo yung tinutulungan nyo.
Yes.
Kasi we can give back to the grid. Ang ibig pong sabihin nun ay pwede po tayong tumulong sa utility provider natin by giving them extra power or extra energy na pwede naman po nilang i-distribute sa kanilang consumers. So, let's say kung meron pong energy lack of provision ng electricity.
Supply and demand.
Yes, sa ating community, we can help by having our own solar power kasi una sa lahat, mababawasan yung pagkuha po natin sa grid. Pangalawa, pwede din tayo pong magbigay sa grid para maibigay naman po ngayon sa ibang consumers.
Wow. Lagi po nilang naririnig, this is free energy, this is free energy. Pero before tayo makarating doon, syempre may mga upfront fees and financial How can we educate our viewers po na in the long run, I mean larger the invest natin yung ROI?
Yes,
Paano
sir.
natin ma-explain sa kanila yun?
Gawa tayo ng example. Magkano, sir, yung electricity bill nyo?
That's good. So, around 5,500 to 6,000.
5,500 to 6,000. Let's say 5,000
Okay.
a month na lang, sir.
Okay.
So, 5,000 a month in a year, how much it will be? 60,000.
Okay.
So, in 3 years, magkano? Tulungan mo ko, sir.
180.
180,000. 3 years. With 180,000 pesos, you can start your sustainable energy journey. So, pwede na po kayong mag-start ng full package ng solar. So, it's just up to you if lalagyan na natin ng battery or not. Dahil meron po tayong tinatawag na grid tie. Yun po yung solution wherein if you're using mostly daytime lang sa inyong consumption. Like for example, dyan, best example will be businesses na office hours na go-operate. So, grid tie solution is best for you. It doesn't have storage, it doesn't have batteries, and it's a lot cheaper. Sir. So, it's like 30 to 40% less as compared to the one that has storage.
Storage or battery.
Yes, sir. So, halimbawa sa inyo, sir, yung sinabi ko nga po, 180,000. You can get the 5 kilowatt power na makakapag-sustain na po doon sa inyong energy needs. Para kang nagbayad ng kuryente in advance for 3 years. Pero question, how long can you take advantage of what you have installed doon sa 180? Minimum of 30 years.
Minimum of 30
Yes, because
years.
that is the power guarantee of our solar solution. So, within 30 years, magpo-produce po yan ng power within the standards. But after 30 years, syempre, nag-age din. Lahat naman ng equipments mag-age, even us, di ba? So, after 30 years, bababa lang po yung kanyang tinatawag na efficiency. Pero you can still utilize it. You can still use it. Kung baka magdagdag na lang siguro tayo if we have higher consumption. So 27 years, sir.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. So, basic math po tayo, no?
Let's compute. 27 years times 60,000. Ayan, sir, ha?
grabe,
May math na kita kasi kunin ko na yung cellphone ko.
Sige.
Dahil,
Magbigay tayo ng,
we want
magbigay tayo ng figure,
1.6 million. That is what you are expecting to save
to pay
on your electricity savings.
So,
yun po ang kanyang magiging return of investment.
So, savings po natin is 1.6 million. However, ma'am, so dun sa like installation natin, day 1 up until like for example, the 30 years na age ng system natin, paano naman po yung maintenance?
Maintenance is very minimal po. So, yung ating solar panels, may mga warranties po yan depending on your provider. If you choose us or other provider po na makita nyo, you have 12 to 15 years or sometimes 10 yung iba. 10 to 15 years warranty on the solar panel. So, the warranty po is different from the power guarantee na sinabi kong 30 years kanina. Ibig sabihin, within 10 to 15 years, if may makita pa na manufacturer defect or factory defect, we would replace the solar panels. May other components po yung system natin, major components apart from the solar panels, yung tinatawag na inverter. Or yung pinaka-brain, pinaka-utak po ng ating system. Yan po ay may 5 years na manufacturer's warranty. So it will last longer, definitely. However, sometimes may kailangan ka lang palitan na spare parts, which is very minimal din naman. And then lastly would be the battery, if you are getting the hybrid system with storage. Just like car batteries, you have to replace it after a few years. So yun po yung ating magiging major maintenance.
Sa mga interested po, how can they contact you? Ayan.
So please contact us on that number. Paki-flash na lang, Sir.
Yes po, we will.
Or you can check on our Facebook page na Nueva Energy Solar. Kami lang naman po yung lalabas na Nueva Energy Solar. So for your sustainable energy needs, kung medyo iniisip nyo pa lang po ngayon para mapag-ipunan nyo in the future, kontakin nyo na po kami para at least mabigyan po namin kayo ng advice and we can tell you what is the best solution for you.
Exactly.
So after contacting us, kung ma-convince po kayo na medyo gusto nyo na pong i-push, we will be conducting free site visits. So especially kung dito po kayo around Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Tarlac, Bulacan area, those are our 4 main areas at the moment. Mapupuntahan po namin kayo kaagad. Kung hindi naman po, kung outside those areas, we can still assess and check if you will benefit kung kami yung magpo-provide, why not? So, we can still give you advice on that po. Kahit papano.
Saludo po ako sa philosophy niyo sa business. Sabi nga niya, research with 3 or 4, but start with Nueva Energy.
Yes!
Diba? So, ayun guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if this is helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family that is in need of this kind of services po. So, again, thank you so much, Ma'am Sol.
Thank you din po. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you mga kabalen.
Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out guys. Bye!